Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text morph animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in some words. I'm just going to do like 1, 2 and stuff like that. I'm just going to also add a glow here. And I'm going to try to make them like 1 second or like half of that. Copy and paste, and then I'm just going to type in 2. Let me just, whoops, make it a little bit separate. There are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, whoops, 9, and 10. Let me just go back here and just a character a little bit. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, go to video, select motion blur, adjust the blur and adjust the blend like so, and it's going to process, so just wait. And once it's done processing, it should look like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!